Yo, what's up, people? So today I'm gonna show you how to solve this impossible um, impossible 2 by 2 Rubik's cube. So here's how it is. As you can see, this is an authentic 2 by 2 Rubik's cube. So first you have to make sure that you build the top. See that one? Okay, so do this, do that, and this, and that. You can just rewind the video or pause the video while following my instructions. So here's how it is. Turn that. Okay. Now since we have this covered, as you can see there, the collar is covered. Now we need to build the bottom. So same suit, same color, same color, same color, and same color on top. Now let's do this. I'm just doing the RUR prime stuff that I learned from YouTube. Let's take a look at it. Put this in. Okay, so we got the top built and the bottom same colors right now. Now we just need to have this two be in the same, this two color from here should be, from here should be put on here. So you just turn it 180 degrees and there you have it. It's done. So you can see, okay, same color, same color, same color, and same color, as well as this side and this side. Okay, that's my video of the solving of the impossible 2 by 2 Rubik's Cube, and that's about it. It's your boy Melvin, and please like the video, subscribe, and do all of that stuff. You have a good one.